Hello out there and welcome back to my tutorial GUI programming with Python. My name is Frederik Weitz and I'm coming from Germany, from Berlin. So last time we placed a button on our window, on our user window, and this time I'd like to show you how you can change some options and bind the button to a method so that it has some functionality. And first of all, we're going to our little code we have written, and we delete this because we don't use it just now, and I'll show you how you can change the background color of a label. This is equal to changing the background color of a button, and so on and so on. And the option command, well, here is called options, and they are like commands, like change the text to goodbye, I'm leaving now, and the option command for background is background, or you can shorten this BG. Is equal to, and now we have to quote this and mark this with a hashtag, which is the sign for the color, and we want to give this for example perhaps light gray. No, this won't do it. Perhaps blue. You have to do it in capital letters, FF. So, and you just take a look at this. We're running our program, and well, this is the color. We have now changed the background color of our label, and at least this is doing nothing, but with the next button click, and that's what we are going to do, is to change the background color of this label, and to change it, for example, to a light green. Okay, so we can bind a command to a button by the command option is equal to, and now we don't have to use the quote signs, we just have to write a method, the name of a method, change color. So, and remark this, we don't have, like we are used to, the brackets or the parentheses. We just have change color, and just now we have to write, let's have some remarks, main window. And here we are writing our methods for the widgets. Actually, we can have some more, and I hope you're a little bit accustomed to writing Python code. Here we in writing the name of the method, it's change color, we have to write empty parentheses and a colon, and then we have to change the color of lab2, and we're doing this in that way. Lab2 square brackets, in the square brackets a quote, and here we are writing BG, which means what we are going to change is the background color, and is equal to, quote again, hashtag at the beginning because we're going to change a color, and AA, FF, AA, which should be a light green. And that's all. I'm used to type a return at the end of a method because or to show that the method has ended here. You don't have to do this in Python, but it's much easier to understand where a method ends. So I'm used to type a return here. I save this and we have a look at our program. And so we have everything like we have left it, and I click on my first button and you see it's changing the color. And that's quite simple. So you just have to bind with a command option a method to a button, and it's doing everything you're writing in the code of the method. You can have really difficult programmings, difficult code in here. It's normally it's not so short and so easy, but sometimes it is. So, and this is how you can bind a method to a button, and we have it in nearly every widget. We have a command, and later on I'll show you a more complex form of binding methods to a widget, which is useful, for example, for Canvas, where we can paint something on it and make little adventures and arcade games and so on and so on. There we have to use other commands than the command option. So, but for just now and for little applications, it's quite good and it's quite simple, and that's what I really like in Python, that it is so simple to make some effects which are pretty good and to write easy code. So that's all for this video, and we see us in the next video. I like to show you how you can change some other options of your labels and your buttons, and we see us in the next video. And if you liked this video, I would be pleased if you give me a thumb up. Till then.